Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. And today's tip of the day, we will discuss how do you actually adjust your seat if the seat is not adjustable. I know it's kind of confusing, but let's say, for example, the seat is too high or you're too short. A lot of times the seat that we buy from the store or in the offices, a lot of times they're not adjustable, right? This one that I'm sitting at, this one is adjustable so I can move it up and down, okay? But then what if, let's say for example, it's just really high like this and there's no way to adjust it, or if you're really short and the chair is too high for you, then what will happen is you're gonna try and to reach into the ground, so you end up sitting to the front so your feet will be on the ground, but then this will not be a proper position for you to sit, and you're gonna end up having some back pains in the long run. So what I would recommend is you can get a box or a step stool or a footstool like the one we have here, right? And you can sit back like this, put your feet there, so that way when your feet are comfortably flat on the step stool or on the box, then your knees will still be 90 degrees, which is where you want them to be, and your hips will still be 90 degrees, and that's where you want them to be. In the videos before, I have mentioned that this is the optimal position for sitting. So this is a proper way, and this is one device or an object that you can use to remedy the situation if you cannot adjust your seat. So you will end up having to, let's say, type on the computer, write on a paper, anything, you'll be able to do it in a straight position like this. And this will help save your back, and it also will help save your neck. All right? So please feel free to share this with people you know, your friends and family, and also please feel free to comment below. Bye.